Heyo, I'm Pete from Northern Soul Channel. Your favorite YouTube channels need your support. YouTube's not what it used to be. Even the largest YouTube personality and channels aren't being pushed anymore. If you look at the trending tab, you'll notice that it's just like a lot of commercialized and sort of stuff. So it's like news and stuff. It's just TV. The same 10 music artists from the last 10 years. It's just boring stuff. For me, if I wanted to watch TV, I'd watch TV. I wouldn't come to YouTube. The reason why YouTube's great is because it's like normal people making videos. People that, from your perspective, which I'm one of those fans, I love going on and just watching, learning how to do stuff visually through a video is so helpful for free. And also just some of the personalities. I even go to certain channels, not even interested in the subject they're talking about, but it's just fun to kind of listen to some of these personas that have the channel, right? It's their channel, and it's just fun to listen to. So if you want to support your favorite YouTube creators, the way to do it now, thanks to YouTube itself coming up with this idea, they're not really coming up with this idea, they stole it from Patreon, but whatever. They're actually contributing with something called memberships. So memberships are they're pivotal right now to stop maybe some of your favorite YouTube channels from just saying, I'm done, I'm out of here. And they'll just pack it up and not make any more videos maybe, or something like that. So to support, especially smaller channels like mine, you'll want to, if you can, it's voluntary. It's still going to be producing videos for free for everyone to enjoy, all the subscribers and that. But if you have the means and you wish to contribute and support to the channel, the way to do it is through a membership. So on either the channel, the homepage, so for me it's Northern Soul Channel, just type that into the search and mine will come up. It's my face here with a fox on top of my head. That's how you know you found me. And just hit the memberships on there and it'll go through the process there. I think it's join or something like that. Or the videos themselves will also have a thing on the bottom that says, right beside subscribe should be a button that says join. So hit that button, you'll see the different tiers. Really helpful in promoting the channel. For me, how I see it is just growing the channel, providing more consistent uploads, more videos, better quality. It's just me doing everything, it's so small. And I have a full-time job and all this other stuff. So this is something I do very occasionally, but if you'd like to see more stuff more often, the support, if I see that sort of thing, there's a bunch of members piling on there, I'm more inclined to make more videos more often, and I can maybe hire somebody to do some editing and stuff and bring the quality up. There's also a lot of other subjects and topics I'd like to be including as well. I've got a ton of ideas, ton of videos and all this stuff, but I gotta bring it, I gotta find the time to do it. And so with your help, I can get this happening and present it, right? So with the tier system, you can go into the join and it'll show I've got 5 tiers right now. I'm pretty sure there are 5 tiers, and there's something available for everybody's kind of pocketbook, so to speak. And it's only a month-to-month sort of thing, so if you want to quit, you can. And it's as little as $2 per month. I probably lose $2 and change out of my pants, like more than that every month myself. So $2 a month, and then it goes up from there, like $5, $15, even up to I think like $80. But American, that's like $50 because it's Canadian funds. So it might be a little bit different depending on where you live, but depending on which tier you're in, you also get better perks that stack. So there is perks and stuff that you do get. The more you pay, the more you get back. It is all listed up front in the tiers. So still be providing all the stuff you love from YouTube onto the regular site, the channel, or the videos for free. But if you're a little bit more, if you're like me and you just really love certain channels and you want to get more, you just can't get enough where it's more personal stuff, I'll be putting those particular videos in the members only section. So if you want maybe different stuff, more stuff like behind the scenes, that sort of thing, personal talks and maybe even custom videos, you'll want to become a member so that you can access those. But all the other stuff that you're used to watching will still be uploaded. So big thanks in advance to anybody that joins, much appreciated. With the tiers, you also get, starting off, you get a little icon that tells you, hey, you're a member. So if you want to comment, it'll show that little icon, and what happens is I'll see it, and then I can't answer all the comments and stuff, but I'm more inclined to answer ones that are members because they're actively participating in helping me. So I'll be more inclined to answer those comments as well. Some of the comments I can't really answer because it'll be like a short story. So maybe I'll address it in another upcoming video in the members section or something like that. Also, you'll get your name, if you're high enough, you get your name listed at the back of the video, at the end of the new videos that are created. And if you, once again, you get shout outs and stuff like that. Go check out the list and see what fits your lifestyle and how much you want to contribute, how much you can contribute. All of it is appreciated. And even if you're not into providing a monthly sort of contribution, subscribing and liking the video is also helpful. So that's what I wanted to discuss today. It really helps in growing. Today, I think a lot of people think that YouTube people are like millionaires or something like that off of ad revenue. It's absolutely not true. You need millions and millions of views on each video. So it just makes like $1,000 or something like that. It's rubbish. It's absolutely nothing. So any little bit helps. The monthly stuff is really where it's at to grow the channel. So I can't stress that enough. Not just for my channel, but other ones you love as well. So get out there and support your community. It's almost like a public, it was like PBS or whatever, where it's like publicly funded like libraries and stuff like that. Support the things you love and help it grow. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later.